Hi everyone, I'm Ritika Rastogi and I have cleared SGT Gurugram for my MPhil examinations. Initially, when I was in masters, so few of my friends who were on top of their game, so they recommended to me that it is one of the best places with a very comprehensive course system. And after seeing their material as well, I decided to just get it for myself too. Book material can be very out there, it's a lot. So what I liked in the lectures was that he was very precise about it, that these are the important topics that you should know. Of course you need to study everything, but these are the important topics, so it gives you a sort of direction as to where you need to focus more, give more resources to. Also at every class, when every class would end, when every lecture would end, he would give something, say something motivating or just a bit assuring, like just keep studying, be consistent about it, do not worry, just put in the 4 hours every day, you'll be okay. So that was very anxiety relieving. So that's why I really liked the lectures that were given to us. I would say I really liked the lectures for lifespan development, because lifespan development can be very broad. Also, I really like research as well. Research was also quite, useful. Like he sort of said in lectures everything that was important for us, because again, both these topics are very out there, very comprehensive. So having this sort of framework and guide was really helpful for me, I would say. I completed lectures as well, and also I have done as many mock tests as possible. So yeah, I was basically I was using all the resources that were given to me. Just start doing your mock test from the get-go, because with mock tests you know exactly what's the sort of studying direction you need to go through. And it also having ranks gives you a sort of feedback as well, as to where you are now, what you possibly need to improve on. So it's really helpful. Also, I would say after the practice test, for every single question we would have like a very detailed explanation for each question and each answer, and that was really helpful. I would say that it's great as it is. To be honest, it is one of the most comprehensive coaching systems that I've seen, especially for something like MPhil, where you do not have such a comprehensive and systematized system. So it was really helpful, I would say, especially even in the books that we were given, the written material we were given. There were a lot of sections of evaluation. So for a person superficially it might look like it's difficult to understand why is it given, but I would really implore everyone to just go through the evaluations, because it helps you to think about things in a particular way. You need a sort of practice to think critically, and that's what the written material did. Even though it seemed like a lot initially, but it was very helpful to go through the entire banks, the written material that we were given eventually. So it is great as it is. So SGT exam, I would say I really liked the paper. I would say it was moderately difficult. I won't say it was very difficult like other papers, but it was a good paper. I think it was a very balanced paper, and of course, so really liked it. Also, the interviews as well. The interview, I think my panel had pretty good questions to ask. So I had a great time giving the exam. Honestly, I was not as anxious, and I had a great time. Initially, I was asked about what internship experiences I have. Then as soon as I mentioned like I did MMPI in internship, they started asking me about MMPI. And so the thing is, because of the mock tests, I knew a lot of extra facts about MMPI, so I could say it at the moment, so that was really helpful. Then I was asked about comorbidities, and so of course while explaining comorbidities I also explained like the sort of treatment mode you can go through, which I also think helped. And thirdly, I was asked that what was my favorite school of thought. And as I'm sure usually all psychology students say, I said humanism, but I also mentioned Gestalt psychology and existential psychology. And then they asked me a few questions about Carl Rogers, who gave humanistic school of thought. So yeah, those were pretty much the questions I was asked. I highly recommend UPS education, because I really loved the material. I think the reason why I initially joined psychology, I again fell in love going through all the material again so comprehensively. Even though I was anxious studying it, but it was also an enjoyable process just going through all of it. It's like really fun knowing all of it. And of course then you have mock tests that gives you, continuous feedback, and you can really assess yourself. You get ranks, so if this can help you see where you are currently standing, what you need to correct. Also the customer support is great. Any doubt I had about any exam or any cutoff, they all cleared all of them. So really I would recommend everybody, whoever is aspiring for, any sort of masters or MPhil or anything entrance exam which is psychology related, they should look into it.